Hello everyone and welcome to Bern's channel, and today we will do another unboxing. This is from La Hardinera from Lawag, Ilocos Norte. Thank you sa aking pa-birthday. So to La Hardinera, thank you for this parcel. Agyaman kayo apo. Salamat. Samahan nyo ako magbukas ng aking box for today. And I would like to take this opportunity to promote La Hardinera. So you can check their FB page, La Hardinera. And then you can contact them at 0906 575 0938. Again, 0906 575 0938. And they are located in Lawag, Ilocos Norte. So these are the Gymnocalycium that was arrived. So yan mga yan, ang mga gymno natin. So the seller napaka-accommodating, and then healthy yung ating mga gymnos. Like this one. So, and I have the cat's eye. This one. Okay. So, napaka-healthy ng mga roots. Yan. So, yan din. Ito pa yung iba. So, napakaganda. Ito. So, yan ang aking mga gymnos. Yan sila. Right. So, kontakin nyo lang and puntahan nyo ang kanilang FB page. Yan ang kanilang mga seed grown na mga gymnos. Alright. Okay. Ayan, napakaganda, di ba? So, tignan nyo na lang sila. Ayan. So, napaka-accommodating nila. So, lahat ng kailangan yung plants or especially yung mga gymnos, so you can contact them. And then, you can check also ang kanilang page for other variety ng succulents. No, meron din silang local grown and especially K-pops. And also they have local cacti. So check nyo. So, like this one. Alright. Ang gaganda ng kanilang mga gymnos. Alright. So, that's all for our birthday unboxing. So, I hope nagustuhan nyo ang aking munting unboxing. And always keep safe and take care of yourself. So, sa mga bago sa aking channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for future updates. So, hindi lang tayo nagbablog ng ating cacti and succulent, but we also have cooking demo, reviews, and events, lifestyle, and other stuff. So, that's all for today. See you in a bit, and God bless.